Hello guys, I'm Ansh Tiwari and you're watching Little Bull. So today I made this video to show my new strategy that I've been using for since like September start. And I haven't recorded because I was learning this strategy. Well, I didn't really make it. I found a lot of candlestick patterns and then I started using them at bottoms. So I'm gonna show you the strategy in a lot of my past trades since, well, I think around 5th or 6th September, I started using these in actual trades. So let me share my screen. Share, share. Okay, so yes, the main strategy that I use right now is dojis. Well, for dojis, I think I used a doji in GIC and maybe even like no, Hyundai was not doji, but GICRE. So in GICRE, I bought GICRE at um, 8th September. So 8th September was here. And then I exited at 16th, I think. GIC, yes. I exited at I exited at 16th, which was here. And I usually use AMO orders, so I exited at the opening of 16th. I exited at the opening of 16th, which was around here. So this was my trade. I bought because it was in a pretty good down move from like here down to here, and then another big red candle. So two dojis, and then I entered small gap down the next day, and then I went up and then exited here because there was a big, like not that big, but a resistance here. So I exited, and well, it fell down the next day. I don't really remember what I bought Hyundai for. I don't think it was a Doji Hyundai. When did I buy Hyundai? I bought it 4th August. Oh. I bought it here and then I pretty much forgot about it in my portfolio. And I exited like on this red candle and then it went up because I exited. Uh, I shouldn't have exited because it was forming a triangle, but my target was reached. I had like eight, I don't know how much percent, but like very good enough profit I had. Let me check. Yeah, I had around like 17%. So I exited and it was stopping here, so I exited anyways. And then a few of my current holdings are portfolio. I bought all of these in like the last 3 days, I think. So the first one I bought was NetWeb, which was a really nice pick. I found it in a very random watch list I had. I think it was like named important stocks that I made a long time ago. I found it in one of these 450 stocks. So I bought NetWeb not really because of a candlestick pattern. It was looking very bullish. So I bought it. I do not remember when I bought it. Mm, uh, that's when I uh NetWeb 18th September. 18th. 17th, 18th. So I bought it at the opening of 18th September here. And well, I am going to hold this stock till, I don't know, a bearish candlestick pattern or something, a bearish pattern, because it's at its all-time high. So I can't really exit at any resistance. Yeah, it's at the all-time high. So I can't exit at any resistance. I'm just gonna hold it till I have a reason to exit at least. And then Dabur India, I know I'm exiting Elite last quote. I am exiting two stocks and then buying two more stocks as I've used all of my capital. I'm exiting Muthoot Finance and Prince Pipes, and then except for that in my portfolio, I'm going to hold everything else. Uh, let's check my other ones. The Radico Khaitan, which I procrastinated from buying for a long time. Radico Khaitan, we have this. I don't remember when I bought it. Uh, Radico Khaitan. Is there like a search feature? No. Yeah, here, 16 September. 16. I bought it here. I had like, I wanted to buy it here and then I didn't buy it here. I forgot to put the AIM order. So I just waited and then I bought it here after the break, after it broke its all-time high, which was already pretty new. So it broke the all-time high and I entered. It's my old strategy, which was entering at when the stock broke its all-time high, and this strategy was not reliable, so I had to make a new one. Except for that, Tata Steel, I think it was like barely a few days, 5th September. Tata Steel. I think I exited this one in loss. I do not remember. 5th. Okay, no, I think I exited in profits. When did I exit? Mm, Tata. 16th. How did I exit everything at 16th? Okay. I exited at the opening of this because it had lost all momentum. It was stuck in this range, and I do not like stocks without momentum. So I exited and it showed momentum the very next day. But I didn't enter it again because I knew it's not very long lasting momentum. It might show momentum again, but it's really slow. So, except for that, Muthoot Finance, I don't think I like that one. Muthoot Finance, but I think it was based on a doji. Muthoot Finance. When did I enter this one? 18th. Okay, yeah, it was based on a doji. Uh, okay, not a doji. It started an uptrend. It went down. It broke the old resistance. So I thought it's gonna form a very nice higher high, higher low thing. And then it just stopped. So I bought it here and I think I'm gonna exit this one. But I am gonna wait for my stop loss because it's like I'm not gonna exit in like a single day. So except for that, what else do I have? Prince pipes and an HLD glass coat. I am going to enter two more stocks that I forgot about. Let me check. Okay, so the two stocks that I am going to enter are Ola Electric. Ola Electric. I have placed AMO orders for. I haven't placed AMO orders for these. I'll place them on Monday. I have used all of my capital. But basically, this is my strategy that I use. I wait for a doji or a very small candle after a downtrend on a support. And this is a very nice support. I It's kind of old and it's a really nice support. So after it formed a small candle here, I'm gonna enter. And since this line leaves it no space to do a small bounce back again last time, it's either going to go down and hit my stop loss instantly, or the best condition, it's gonna go up. I'm going to hold it till here. If it doesn't break, then I'm going to exit it instantly when it touches this point. And then except for that, I'm also buying Sarda Motors Electric. I don't know. Sarda Energy. Hmm. Yes, this one. It went down. Good enough support, like pretty good support. and then a small doji here. So I'm going to enter. My stop loss is gonna be here. And support, yeah. So this is going to be my setup. I'm going to exit completely over here. I'm going to exit at 639.75. If it goes upwards and doesn't hit my stop loss is here. Yeah. So I guess that's all of my trades for now. And I'll see you when I make a new trade or find a new strategy. That's it for today. Bye. See you in the next video.